If you are a videographer or run a video business, this video I'm going to explain to you how to increase the quality of your video, and let me tell you, it has nothing to do with the equipment that you own. It's all about telling amazing stories and connecting with your prospects and delivering amazing results. I've literally shot videos for clients on my phone that have made them more money than other videographers that shot content for them on a Red camera or Arri Alexa camera. My name is Jason from JLS Video. I run a video agency here in Los Angeles. I have a team of full-time video editors and video contractors. And if you like this kind of content, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my page for more content just like this. Clients don't care about your 100mm macro lens. They do not care about your 50mm prime. They care about the outcome that your video content is going to generate for them. In this video, I'm going to tell you how I'm consistently generating amazing results for my clients that have nothing to do with the quality of the camera. I'm not even a camera guy. I'm not super techie. I mean, I know the setup looks decent, hopefully. I don't know, probably a little overexposed back here, but I've never been a techie guy. I'm not a gearhead at all. I'm more interested in the business aspects of video production and getting amazing results for my clients because that's what makes them win, that's what makes them happy, and that's what keeps them coming back for more. Now, for me personally, one of the videos that have worked the best is an ad campaign that I ran about a year ago for myself that generated me about $10,000 worth of sales. And then from there snowballed into getting a lot more clients from word of mouth referrals from the client that I got from that sale. So I'm going to show a little link of that video up here. As you can see, it's just me talking on my iPhone to the camera at a recent video shoot that I was at, and some B-roll that was also shot by a videographer on an iPhone. As you can see, the quality is shit, but that doesn't matter. In fact, it's called ugly content. What that does is it actually lowers the sales resistance that a new prospect might have when watching your content. And so they're not looking at you and being, oh my God, this guy has this shiny, decked out, crazy setup. I'm not gonna be able to afford his services. And it kind of lowers their guard to be like, oh, this guy's just like shooting his iPhone like a regular old guy. Maybe I can't afford to work with him. The other thing that ugly content does that I love to talk about is when you're scrolling through the feed and you're looking through a bunch of different people's content and you see an ad that looks really fancy produced. It's got the crazy cameras, the lighting, the backlighting, and everything like that. People are more likely to recognize that's an ad and scroll past it, unless it's really funny or witty or really interesting or unique. If it's just you talking to the camera, which is most of what I do, people are just gonna scroll past it. They don't care. But if you shoot that content on your phone and it looks more like a UGC piece of content, they're actually more likely to watch that video for an extra few seconds, which can allow you to get your message in further, which can increase your leads and your sales. I did a similar thing for my clients named Dr. Jennifer Berman. We shot an ad campaign that I'll show you some clips of right here. And this is really shot very simply on an iPhone in her office, as well as some B-roll that I had pulled from her from past clients. And actually this one clip was from Conan. She was on the Conan O'Brien show, which is great. It's a low res 480p clip that I pulled from YouTube, but she was on that show. And that was what people cared about. It lended her a lot of authority and credibility by the fact that she was on Conan O'Brien's show. And that's ultimately what made that video quality better. So when I say video quality, I'm not talking about the pixels. I'm not talking about the definition. I'm not talking about the portrait mode look. Some of my clients do care about quality and they say, hey, I want to make sure that has really nice lighting. I want to make sure we have a nice wide open lens with the portrait look in the background. And that's great. And there's a certain time and place for that kind of polished content. But these days, to get results, especially online, lower quality, ugly content is actually a huge way to increase your leads and sales as a video business owner. So if you like that video, if you learned something from it, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below with any other questions that you feel like you want me to talk about. Again, my name is Jason from JLS Video. I run an agency here in Los Angeles, and I would love to hear from you on what things you're struggling with as a videographer, as a video business owner.